This is the 1970 Cadillac power door lock actuator activator in beautiful condition. This unit is going to Mark Russo. This unit and its part number is designated as a left-hand unit, ending in 89 879 1189, and the dash L designates left hand. Mark is going to be installing this in his right hand door, which according to the guidebook will not work, but some cars have been modified over the years. So I'm going to go ahead and do a operational activational test. I have it connected to a battery. I'm going to go ahead and actuate it for extension, retraction, extension, retraction. And this is the 1970 Cadillac power door lock solenoid activator actuator going to Mark Russo up north, and it's a left-hand unit that will be installed in his right-hand door. Thank you very kindly. Today is the 23rd of July.